everyone, we're going to simplify these two rational expressions with the rules of conditions for simplifying rational expressions. So basically, the first one looks a little weird, so I'm going to rewrite it. It's 8 to the 1/2 times 32 to the 1/2 times 2 to the 1/2. And I notice if I want to make these all the same basis, I can write this as 2 cubed, and that would be to the 1/2. This one would be 2 to the 5th to the 1/2, and then we still have 2 to the 1/2. Now, you can multiply these, so you're going to get 2 to the 3/2 times 2 to the 5/2 times 2 to the 1/2. That gives you, with your properties of the product property, you can add these up. Now that gives you 9/2. So basically, we have 2 to the 9/2. Now, when it gets that big like that, we are going to do, what I usually do is I say 2 goes into 9 4 times, and you have 1 left over. So that means we're going to be pulling out the 2, and this is going to be to the power. So that's going to be 2 to the 4th, and our remainder is 1. So you leave for the, what root is this? This is square root. You leave 1 inside. So this would be 16 square root of 2. Another way to do it is, since we're doing square roots, you could write it as square root, and we have 9/2, so we need 9 of these. So 2 squared, 2 squared, 2 squared, 2 squared, and that's 4. Then you need 1. These will all pull out. So square root of 4 is 2, then you have it this way. And then you still have to leave that in. But this is a nice trick as well, especially when this power gets really big. Okay, so the next one, we're going to write this as the 5th root. And we have 6 squared, and then we have y to the 8th. The problem is this 8 is bigger than the denominator. So you can do the same thing and divide like that way. So you can pull out 1y and leave 3 inside, because your remainder will be 3. Or we can rewrite this as 5th root of, this will be 36. And you can write this as y to the 5th times y cubed. So what's going to happen is, when you do the 5th root of y to the 5th, that just equals y. So we're pulling this out and just make it y. That's where the 1 comes in. You're pulling out 1y. Then you have the 5th root of 36. And our remainder is 3. So that's going to be y cubed. And this will be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.